boyfriend and I have been building a rabbit track for our grow out rabbits. This is our first one we have ever built. And right now we are putting on a little hide box. We're gonna have a shelf here in the bottom with some hardware cloths so they're off the ground inside of their box house. And then we're gonna have shelves here on the side so they can hop up on that as well. Okay, so we have the walls all on our box, our little hide box. We're gonna put a floor so that when they come in here, they're not sitting on the grass. And now we're about to add a hole to our wall so they can get inside. Alright, here is the final piece of the puzzle. We have a nice little shelf in here for them to hop up on. And this keeps them off of the ground. And then this piece slides out. And you can put it back. Make sure you remove the bunnies from underneath the floor. I think we did it. I think we're done. Oh, where'd the little clips go? Oh, we have our locks, but they're not on there yet.